What's going on, all you beautiful people? How's everybody doing? Jumped on real quick, and I had to do this video because I see some good stuff going on here. So today's Wednesday. If you want to trade with me, I'm going to show you a little something that we have within our system that we use. I woke up this morning. So with ICoin Pro here, we actually have, they give us little signals for us to, for us to make our best judgment if we want to trade. I woke up and I see all this in the green. That's plenty I can trade with. So the cool thing about this is that this lets us know each coin, whether it's in BTC or USDT, but it gives us trade signals. It gives us the RSI. It lets us know what that's at. Like right here is a 1 hour candles, this 4 hour candles. And we usually try to do, look at the charts when anything's below 30 to make a trade. But of course, there are other factors to that when you're making the trade. And again, that's in some of the training stuff with ICoin Pro. But yeah, I see Dogecoin here at 11 right now. So I'm going to try and make a trade. So cool thing is this, you can go straight to, whatever you're trading on, Binance, Poloniex. Right now I'm on Poloniex, but you can go straight to it through here. Click on that, Poloniex. It's going to pull the exchange up. Also, you can go straight to TradingView. And we can check it out there. I'm going to look at some patterns and trend with that and see what's going on. Because I think I looked at, yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, I think I looked at Dogecoin. This was still here in the alerts. And it's called RSI SPY, but this was here in the alerts. And I want to say it was like minus 20 something, but I don't know. I just left it alone. What we got? So we have our chart set up here, the RSI chart. We have set up the link 14 sources low. Then I have my MACD set up, and I have I just kind of played around with this actually myself and found I don't know, I just found some settings here that I see a lot of people use. But the low Bollinger Band gives me a buy signal when it's -5. Pretty much when it drops -5 below. So the Bollinger Band, low Bollinger Band here, high Bollinger Band up there. But -5 is this little green line, so it's -5 below 0. But this one here gives supposedly an RSI, the length, which it's a little different than this one. It's on 10, and it does have the correct settings for us though. Oversold at 30 and overbought at 70. So this would be oversold. This is 30 here and this is 70. So sub 30 is when we look at a buy. Yeah, sub 30 is when we look at a buy. So right now I do have it on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it has been over. Where are we at? Okay, so it's overbought still. I think I'm just gonna make just something small just so I can show you. So yeah, on Poloniex also we have it on the 5-minute chart, and zoom in 6 hours. So what I'm gonna do, what's it at? 46. I might put in it for 45. Yeah, let me put it in for 45. And I'm just gonna do the minimum buy-in just to show y'all. Oops. Okay. There we go. So right now I got the order in. It might be a little bit, it might not. But what I'm going to do is copy. Let me see. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to also what they give us when you enroll in this program. They give us a cryptocurrency trading profit loss track sheet. Let me refresh that. Go into the micro profit system. Pull up my track sheet again. Let me duplicate this website. So this here is a track sheet. So this just shows, you know, the trades that I made. I haven't done much. I was kind of busy yesterday. I made one trade here. But yeah, this just gives us a track sheet on that. Come on, where you at? So micro profit system. So here, this is the calculator. So we just made, oh, let me delete that. We just made a trade. Dogecoin, Dcoin, GB. Oops, no, wrong one, my bad. Price we bought it was here. Oop, no. Okay, that's the price we bought it at. We'll punch that in, paste. Number we bought, or we're gonna buy. Let's just copy this. This will be close enough. It hasn't actually bought yet because there are trading fees. So once somebody buys this, it's going to show up over here with the correct numbers. But I'm just kind of doing this right now just to show you. But it's going to show up with the correct numbers. And then you can click here, copy and paste, because that's going to take out your fees. It's going to be the correct number of coins you bought with Poloniex fees. Everybody has their own fees. Finance has their own fees, things like that. But so anyways, copy and paste it, come back here, punch it in here, hit paste, hit add entry. This is actually going to give you, this is going to give you your track sheet, your profit and loss track sheet, which I think is like a good tool, great tool, awesome tool to have. So with the micro profit system, we're in and out real quick. You don't want to be in the trade like all day long. So especially like right now, we're in a bear market. You know, what you could probably do is, so I'm gonna go for 1%. But yeah, it gives you all the info here. This is the coin we have. This is how much we put in. I think it was like $10. This is the price I bought it, and that's how many Doge coins that I got. So it gives us our sale data, and it actually also gives us our loss here too. But hopefully you don't have to take a loss. See, we don't put in stop losses. I can go further into that. But the way the market is, most people would put in a stop loss. But for me, I'm all about making profit. So if I get stuck in a trade, I'll just go ahead and just stay in there until I come out. I mean, like this one's only $10, but hey, I don't like taking a loss. I'll wait a couple weeks, a month or so before that coin to come back up, because eventually it will come back up. Because I know right now, as of today, BTC is at $7,898.02. It's down 3.28% since yesterday, which kind of sucks. But yeah, so that is considered a bear market. So in bear markets, we just try to take these micro profits, get in, get out, and then we can go ahead and make another trade. But I'm going to try and go for 1%. So I'm going to copy that, come back in here. I don't think it's been sold yet. No, hasn't been sold yet. But what I'll do is I'll come in here, I'll paste what I want, and then this is going to be the amount of coins I'm going to be selling. This won't be exactly the exact number, but you get what I'm saying. So, and then I'll click sell. I'll click sell, and it's gonna put in my sell order down here, and pretty much it just, you know, sit back and wait. Well, actually, you know, we try to do the whole no emotion trading. So what I would do is just, you know, after it's been bought and you put in your sell order, whether it's for a profit of 3%, 0.5%, or 1%, just walk away. That's the best thing you can do, is just walk away. I mean, you can stay on the computer, but don't just sit there and watch it. And it gets emotional and it's unhealthy. It's stressful, trust me. Just get on Facebook or something. Hell, I don't know. But yeah, so this here is gold. I mean, you can go on YouTube, and you can probably find videos where they teach you how to trade, and you honestly, I think YouTube's a great place to learn anything you want. Hell, you can probably fix a whole engine. If there's probably a tutorial on there on how to fix a whole engine in a car. Everything is on YouTube. But you know, when it comes to the signals and everything that this here has for us, this is like second to none to me. It's so worth it. I'm never going nowhere. You know, the cool thing about this is what we have in our system, in the unlimited wealth system, is that this is what we have in our quick start. So when it comes to our quick start, this is like the backbone of the business that we have, because you can get in here, whether you know a lot about crypto or whether you know nothing, you're still going to learn something with this program. This program offers a lot. Let me go home. This program offers, you know, a lot. So, you know, I thought I knew a lot about it when I got in. I thought I knew a lot about crypto, but there's like little things here and there in this program that I was reading about. I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't know that, but now I do. But it does come with every week. Every week there is a live training video that they do, and it's open to the public every Wednesday. And I'll have a link below. It's a live YouTube hangout that you can watch live on YouTube. They'll talk about the whole system we have here. They'll probably talk about the market. They'll talk about, you know, how people are succeeding in this, which everybody's, you know, to each their own. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and I don't, you know, I'm not going to tell you how to trade. Everybody does their own thing. I do my own thing, but I do follow the basics on here, and I think that's key. I think in anything you do in life, if things are so simple in life, humans just make it hard. This is a simple process. This is a simple, everything in here is so simple. If you just follow, you know, the protocol on here, what you're supposed to do, you will profit off of this if you follow it. But again, like I said, things are unpredictable. The market's unpredictable. Your coin might drop. You might get caught in some bags at the beginning if you don't know what you're doing. But you can still paper trade. You know, once you first get in, you can paper trade. You can pretty much just write down, you know, what you would buy it at and things like this, and then put a sell in for what you would sell it at, and check back and see if it hit that mark. But that's pretty much what paper trading is. But until you get comfortable in doing it on your own, then you can, you know, start with the small little $10 like I just did, something small to get you going until you get more confidence. You know, there's no rush in this. Can't get greedy and feel like I need to hurry up and make some money. No, trust me, this is your money. So I'm not sure. I'm sure you just wouldn't throw around $10 or $100 or whatever, for the heck of it. Because I know if I lose money, it gets pretty emotional. But yeah, the cool thing about this is, like say you do start off with $100. You start off with $100, and then you make like 5 trades that week, and then you end up having like $110 or $105, and then that 105, you're compounding you're compounding your whole balance, your profit, but your profit just keeps rising and rising and rising. I think that's pretty cool because over time, when you compound all this, oh, speaking of that, there is a calculator on that. Let's look it up. There is a compound calculator, I think is what it's called. Yes, right here. Yes, compound return calculator right here. So say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. So yeah, so like say, what's your initial investment that you're gonna put in? So you're gonna put in $100. How much you're gonna add to your balance throughout the year? Say you're gonna put in like 500. I don't know. How many number of years are you gonna be trading? Let's see. Let's go for a year and see what we do for a year. Monthly return percentage. So okay, say you make 10 trades. Yeah. Yes, I will, honey. 1 second. Monthly percentage return. Okay, say you make let's say you make 10 trades a month. And each of those trades were 1%. So let's go. So we made 10%. 10%. Let's calculate that. $830. That's pretty good. This is just an estimate. You could get hardcore into this and get serious about it, and maybe even have a higher balance. Let's see if I'm gonna put this. Let's see, how many trades did I make last month? I think I made about 20. No, I made more than that. I probably can't count on my end. Let's just say 20%, because a lot of my trades were over 1%. I'm low balling this big time. But with a $5,000 balance, 54 grand. Now that's pretty high. Just kind of estimating here, but this calculator just kind of shows you. I'm just punching in numbers here, but this calculator does show you, what you could expect, depending on your trading. Let me go back here and see if this bought. No. But again, you kind of see what I'm doing here, and all these signals going off here. Right now, I do have my set at 5 minutes. But if you want, if you want to trade with the 1 hour chart and trade, not 1 hour, 4 hour chart, you're going to be in these trades a lot longer. But maybe you can trade with a higher, with a little bit more money. So then you would be looking at the 4 hour RSI charts here. Right here, this 4 hour RSI for Dogecoin that's like very, 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 very low. And if you want to work, trade off of that 4 hour chart, you'd probably have a pretty good return. Again, I am no financial advisor, but me personally, I might put in another trade after this video, a little bit higher, just because I know this is coming up. Even though BTC is going down, pretty much some of your altcoins, a lot of the altcoins are going to go down too. But we'll see. But yeah, hey, I'll have some links below if you want to check it out. You can sign up for free to get info and look into it with your email address, and you'll receive some emails about a few things. And I will post up the link for the hangout that's every Wednesday. You can also check that out too. But thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.